my channel. In today's video I will be making mini double chocolate cheesecakes, another one of my favorites, and I know you will enjoy. So guys, why wait? Let's get started. So my lovelies, the ingredients for mini double chocolate cheesecakes are 2 package 4-ounce each semi-sweet chocolate, 6 vanilla cream filled chocolate sandwich cookies, 2 package cream cheese 8-ounce each, 2/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 2 eggs, ½ cup Cool Whip, and 6 strawberries. Muffin pans and cups. So let's go ahead and fill with the paper liners. Let's set this aside. Now in a microwave cup or bowl or something, break chocolate into small pieces. So this is 6 ounces of chocolate. I will now microwave for 2 minutes. Here you go guys. After 2 minutes until almost melted, stir until completely melted. Now let's set this aside. Now I will separate cookies. Place 1 cookie cream side up, and this I will do until all the cups are filled. Now let's set this aside. In a bowl, add cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. Mix until blend. I will now add the melted chocolate. Mix well. I will now add egg one at a time. Mixing on low speed until blend. Your oven should be preheated at 325. Now pour over cookies in the muffin pan. Now top muffin tray lightly. So guys, now let's go over to the oven. Now we will bake for 23 or 26 minutes or until center is almost set. Let's check to see if the cheesecakes are ready. Here they are, guys, they are ready. Now that the cheesecakes are ready, break remaining chocolate and add Cool Whip. And microwave for 1 minute. Blend well. You can add the chocolate to a pastry bag, or you can use a spatula to spread on top. Cut away the tip. I will now spread the chocolate on top. cut strawberries in halves. Refrigerate for 2 hours. So here, my lovelies, I've removed the cheesecake from the refrigerator and they are as beautiful as ever, guys. You can serve these cheesecake on any occasion, or you can have them delivered to someone for Valentine's. They are just perfect, guys. You can have the candies. And here I have some sugar candy. Just make them beautiful, guys. It's all yours. It's all yours, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. And please remember to subscribe. Bye.